Hey everyone, myself Dhruv. Today we are solving another LeetCode question number 242, valid anagram. So first we will read our question as pattern of every video of ours. Then we will discuss our brute force idea and the table approach. Then we will try run and execute our code. So before reading our question, what is an anagram? It's a simple term, a string formed by rearranging the letter of another string using all the original character exactly once. So what is anagram? A string formed by rearranging the letter like this. Rearranging. We have to rearrange this. Rearranging the letter of another string using all the original character exactly once. We will use this word, rearrange this, and make a same exact another word using the original character only, not any other or extra character. So first we'll read our question. Given two string s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So we will given two string s and t. We have to return true if s is an anagram of t. If not, then output is false. Constant we can say 1 is less than equals to s dot length, t dot length is less than equals to 5 into 10 raised to power 4. S and T consist of lowercase English letter. So problem, what is our problem understanding? We are given two string S and T. We need to check can both string can be formed using the same character with same frequency. Notice with same frequency. Example anagram and nagagram. Both contain same letter with same count, so answer is true. So what will be our brute force idea for this? One approach is sort both string, compare them. This work, but sorting takes O bracket n log n time complexity. We have to decrease the time complexity for what, then what will be our optimized frequency count approach? We can do better. We can do better using frequency counting. What I said, we can do better using frequency counting. Why? Because we only need character count. Lowercase letter are limited to 26. So count frequency of character in first string. Secondly, subtract frequency using second string. We will make two string. Count frequency of character in first string. Subtract frequency using second string. In all frequency, if all frequency becomes 0, string are anagram. I hope you understand this. Let's quickly try run this so you can understand it more. Let's s is equal to anagram. Okay. And t is equal to nagaram. So let's do our frequency counting. So now a anagram a same count, n same count, g same count, r same count as well, and m same count. So all frequency become 0. Become 0. So what will be our answer? True. This. So I hope you understand our trial. Let's cut this out and paste it right above our question. Now we will writing our code. So if length are different, the length are different, string can never be anagram. So for that we will use if s dot. First we will check the length. If the length is larger or smaller, or both are different with different length, they will never be an anagram. If s dot length is not equal to t dot, then return direct false directly. T dot length return false. Return false. Okay. Now I use frequency array. I use frequency array of size 26 for lowercase letter. So for that we will use vector. Vector. What will be our frequency? 26 to 0. So we'll make loops. So what will be our first loop? First loop increase the frequency for character CHS. What will it do? Increase the frequency. So now what will be our second loop? Second loop decrease the frequency for character CH T minus A minus 1. Okay. Now our third loop. What will it do? For int count frequency. It will count our frequency. So now if count is not equals to 0, if count is not equals to 0, then return false. The frequency are checking. Then if the count is not equals to 0, then return false directly. Means they are not an anagram. So now if every count becomes 0, we are checking the count. If every count becomes 0, both string are valid anagram. So what will it return? Return true. Done. Let's quickly check our test cases. As you can see, runtime 0 ms, time complexity. Anagram, output is true. Case 2, red and car. Letters are not same. Of same length but not same character. So output is false. Let's quickly submit it. I hope you understand this was a classic frequency counting interview problem. Follow for more daily DSA problem. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Submit it. Bye bye.